Insane. My therapist told me to embrace chaos, so I followed the weirdest looking bird I saw downtown. Seriously, this thing was neon green, led me down alleys I never knew existed, past murals that seemed to shift as I walked, ended up in this tiny hidden garden behind a laundromat, filled with wind chimes made of old keys. Met a lady there, totally chill, watering plastic flowers. She said, "Sometimes the prettiest things aren't real, but the feeling they give you is." Felt profound. Then the bird flew off. I went back to my therapist, told her everything. She just stared. Turns out she never told me to embrace chaos. I completely misheard her. She said, "Embrace Carlos, the new intern. Wild, craving more tales that spark your imagination? Hit like, follow, or subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below."